So, Jason, welcome. Thank you so much for doing this with us.
Thanks for having me.
Can you mention about yourself? Where are you coming from? What are you doing in general?
Yeah, so my name is Jason Robertson. I'm a travel videographer, photographer, content creator, I guess, from Sydney, Australia. So basically just travel, try and find jobs with brands and things like that want to use me and create their content for them. And that's pretty much what I'm doing at the moment. And I was super excited that you guys reached out to me. It was something that was on my mind for a while now, so it was good. It came at the right time.
I'm so glad to hear this.
That's great. What made you choose Turkey? So how did the clinic experience was, general thought about Turkey?
Yeah, well, I've heard that most people come here for a hair transplant, so I know that that's probably like the standard. I haven't really heard much about anywhere else. I've heard Mexico might do some decent work. I'm not too sure. I had one before in Australia that I don't think was actually very successful, but I've seen great results come from Turkey, so it was easy choice to make.
What kind of procedure it was when you get it?
It was exactly the same, except they didn't shave the head. So
DHI?
DHI, I guess.
I'm pretty sure it was FUE. It said on the But I don't know, is that different if they don't shave?
Yeah, the shaved one is FUE, the unshaved one is the DHI.
I feel like it was exactly the same procedure.
They didn't use pens when they were implanting the hair. Okay, it's an unshaved FUE probably.
But it was mainly just the front. So
it was front?
Yeah, so just the front.
Makes sense.
Why do you think it was not that successful?
I'm not too sure. It was right before the pandemic, so I think that it was like just before everything shut, so I think they were trying to rush people in and they had like a big sale. And I was like, oh, it's pretty cheap. I might as well just like go give it a crack. Mm-hmm. And I did, and I just don't think it was a good job. They told me I could wear like hats and beanies straight away, so I did. And I don't think that was the best idea.
That is the main thing that you're not supposed to do, actually.
Yeah, exactly. So I think, doing that definitely hurt it. And they didn't really give me a treatment plan to do afterwards as well. So it was just basically you get the procedure. We were locked down for a long time. Didn't really get a follow-up consultation because of the lockdowns. And then I was traveling and I just don't think it was too successful.
Are you regretting that decision now?
Not really. It gave me a good extra, I don't know, 5 years with a bit of a better hairline. So I don't regret it, but I'm hoping that this one is more a success.
So, why Turkey? What was the main reason that you chose us, among Mexico, the other countries that you mentioned?
Well, as I said, I think I've just heard so much about Turkey, and given I first came to Istanbul or Turkey in April last year, this is my 4th time here in a year. So any excuse to come back, I'll take it. When you guys reached out, I was like, yep, cool, trip to Turkey, get some new hair. So I was happy. It was an easy decision. And just hearing about everyone's results when they come to Turkey. And it's just, I don't know, I think it's the gold standard for hair transplant.
And during the procedure, during the operation, was there anything that surprised you or made you feel especially comfortable during the operation day?
I was comfortable because I couldn't feel anything. So that was good.
Sense, totally numb.
And just the fact that I think there was 3 people working, maybe? Is it 3 people?
3, maybe 4. The first one assisting.
3 or 4, yeah. I feel like that was good because it kind of made it quicker. Especially I had a lot more grafts than I did the first time, and that was just one person doing it. And so, so it was very quick, very painless. It was just chilling there, listening to podcasts, and very easy.
How long did they take the first procedure that you had with one surgeon?
It was probably 4 or 5 hours, I think, possibly 6. And that was only 1,200 grafts.
Oh, okay.
So this one I think was 4,000, somewhere around 4,000.
So same hour?
Shorter, I think.
Shorter.
I think it was shorter, yeah.
What would you think that you found most uncomfortable during the operation? Like the anesthesia part might not be the most enjoyable part, maybe.
Yeah, just the initial getting the anesthesia. Some part, later on into the procedure when they spray the thing, it might be a little bit cold in there. But that's about it. That's
at the end of the operation?
In the while they do it, when they spray, feels a bit cold. That's about it. That was it's not a big deal.
Yeah.
Really, yeah.
Also, the anesthesia is just taking 5 minutes or something.
Yeah, pain is temporary, so just gotta suck it
Hairs.
up. If you got like tattoos and stuff, you know how needles work, so it's not too bad.
If you need to compare two different experience that you had from the before in Australia and now in Turkey, how can you consider them? Like, can you compare them from a technical part or emotional part, general stuff?
I definitely feel like you guys cared a lot more for me, pre and post procedure. The one that I had back home, it was kind of just like, come in, let's rush you through before like everything locks down and then see you later, like once you're out the door. So yeah, I think the team here, like I got like 9 people in a group chat that I'm not too sure like who's who, but
It's a standard procedure.
Yeah, everyone's messaging me and like checking up and making sure I'm where I need to be and all that. So just organized, very organized.
Well, you're flying all the way from Australia to here. You don't, even though it's your fourth time, you might not know that much about Turkey. So
yeah, and it's good to just like hop out. The car's waiting for you, take you to the hotel. If I need to be somewhere at the clinic or the day of the procedure, the car's there waiting, takes you straight there. So it's all easy.
I'm glad to hear this. So what would be your suggestion if someone asks you, I'm going to have a hair transplant? So what would be your like recommendation for that person?
Yeah, I would definitely tell them to reach out to you guys. Just have a chat. You guys are very easy to talk to. Language barrier is not an issue. I think you guys, like if you're asking me, I would speak to mostly English people, so they'll have no problem communicating with you guys. Just to reach out, talk to the team and get it sorted.
And what do you think about hair transplantation? Like, do you think that it's give us self-confidence over you, or it's just appearance?
Both. I'd say like from the previous one, like like I said, it did bring my hairline forward. I kind of had like the M shape, so that gave me a good like 4 or 5 years maybe. Definitely helped my confidence, but then as I started thinning again, it was not good for my self-confidence. I didn't like it. But the transplant, I'm hoping that, just thickens up the areas. I'm not too concerned about like bringing it down and having like a full fake hairline. I just want the thickness, where if I do grow longer hair, I can not worry about going out in windy weather and having to wear hats and beanies and things like that. So definitely hoping to build the self-confidence, and hopefully it looks better as well.
Yeah, and I saw that you have some irregularity on the front line, so it's gonna be natural.
Yes.
So it's not gonna look for like straight line. So.
That's one thing I mentioned to the surgeon. I asked if he could definitely don't do the straight.
Yeah.
Just make it as natural as possible.
Like in the consultation, sometimes doctor tries to convince the patient for the M shape, but they have a mindset and they want that straight hairline, maybe because of an actor, maybe because of other people. But it's good that some people have that knowledge and they want the most natural look.
Yeah, I just want it to look as natural as possible. Hopefully it's like a job where people don't notice that it happened kind of thing. Like I don't mind if they notice, but like it's more like if someone I don't know sees it and they're like they just don't think anything of it. I don't want them to be like, oh, he's had like a fake hair transplant type thing.
When it's straight, it's direct, understandable.
Yeah.
But your choice, it's way better, I guess.
I hope so.
Can you guess the top 5 boldest countries in the world? Yeah.
I'm going to say Turkey's up there.
Surprisingly, no, we're not.
I swear, I see a lot of like older men with balding, but I'm going to say Australia, definitely, surely.
Well, it's probably, just let's keep it in the European continent.
Then I have no idea then. Maybe Germany?
Yeah, Germany is on the 3rd.
Okay.
We have Czech Republic in the 1st place.
Denmark?
Denmark is not on the list as well. The 2nd one is Spain, and then the 4th one it's France, and the 5th one it's United Kingdom.
Yeah, I can see that.
I can see that.
I just feel like, obviously Australia, we all like migrated from the UK.
Oh yeah.
And Aussies have the worst hairlines, I think. Like
really?
All of us are like thinning at the front. Like majority are like the Australians that kind of migrated from the UK.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's no surprise.
Jason, thank you so much for your time. It was a pleasure to doing this with you. Is there anything additionally you want to say? while we're ending?
Just if anyone's thinking about having a hair transplant, reach out to you guys and just go for it. Like, why not? Can be a little bit embarrassing, but once I've found once I've had it and I've gone for walks out around the city and there's other people around with hair transplants and you're kind of like, yeah. But you might get some looks here and there, but you're never going to see these people again. So
yeah, and they're pretty used to it, don't worry.
Yeah, they'll look at you for a couple of minutes and then that's it. So
Yeah.
I see a few like bald people, like they point and I'm just thinking like they're saying to their friend like, oh look, he did it, like he did it. Whatever.